Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I had started filming a day in the life video yesterday. Started, never finished. So I'm trying to redo that again today, but we're gonna have to see because I already made 2 stops and I ain't put that to camera till just now. So I went to Dollar Tree. Sorry, I gotta get my gospel on in the morning. Went to Dollar Tree because I need to make like this poster board because I'm coaching again this year. And we've taken my coaching to the competition level, so we're competing in the all-star world this year. I love that for me. So I have to make a board for my team, so I went and got some supplies for that because we have stunt choreo next Saturday. So I have 6 days to get it together, but I'll probably finish it today, knowing me. But yeah, I went to go get some supplies. So I went to Dollar Tree and Walmart because Dollar Tree didn't have the folder that I needed or the board that I needed, so I went to Walmart and got that. Before I go back home and start on this board, I want to go to Rec Room real quick because I need some sandals. I have gone all summer with no sandals, which is crazy to me because I love to rock a good sandal. I'm not a tennis shoe girly, so let's see what I can go get real quick. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all at Rec Room. We made it inside, y'all. This Michael Shannon person has been making cute shoes. Let me show y'all. Oh, that's cute. I need black shoes. Can y'all see the shoe? I think I'm gonna get these. These are so cute. I think I got my shoes on. That was easy. Look how cute. Let's see if we can find anything else. Child, I knew I should put my behind in there. I don't know if y'all really saw the shoes. These are so cute and comfy. I wanted something that had like a strap on the back, but this will do because, yeah, it feels very secure. So those, I'm very plain Jane when it comes to, like, I guess dressing. I got black shoes. No. Hold on, y'all. I picked up the wrong shoes. My fault. Hold on. So embarrassing, y'all. So embarrassing. Hold on. All right, y'all. We back with the right shoe now. This is the other one that I got. Let me make sure y'all can see it. Isn't it so pretty? So that one, and this one. So cute. All right, so I have my sandals, and I saved a couple dollars by going back to get the other shoe. That means I need to pay attention. The boxes look the exact same, which is crazy to me, but it's fine. All right, so let's go home and get working on this poster board. I'll see y'all at the house. All right, y'all, I am back home. I got my game on, so let's just go ahead and see what we can come up with for my board. My team isn't playing, but I actually enjoy watching basketball, so we're just gonna have that going on in the background. So let's get started. I got these from Walmart, so I can use. The colors are green, black, white. So I'm probably going to do green and silver. I also got these. They have like this like fluorescent color to them. Those are cute. And I got these as well. So let's see what we can come up with. Y'all, I picked out a W and an M. Let me go get the M. Alright, so this is I think this is somewhat of the design I'll go with. I'm gonna put the kids' names on these little things. I believe it's 8 of them. I think we just added somebody else, so it might be 9 now, but I'll double check. And then I'm gonna put the parts of our routine on this. So you got like jumps, you got standing tumbling, running tumbling, dance, pyramid, and then your 2 stunts that you'll have. So yeah, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that, but this is the idea that I'm gonna go with. I think she's cute and simple.